What's the meaning of blaxploitation? Blaxploitation. Blaxploitation.
Blaxploitation. Blaxploitation. Blaxploitation is a film genre that emerged in the United States during the 1970s. The term is a combination of the words black and exploitation, and it refers to movies made by and for African Americans that typically featured themes of crime, violence, and sex. The films were characterized by their use of stereotypical characters and often showed a gritty, urban landscape. Blaxploitation movies were popular among African American audiences but drew criticism for their portrayal of black culture. Despite this, the genre helped launch the careers of several black actors, and its influence can still be seen in contemporary media today.